Hey you guys, yesterday I was at my local rockler store and I took a class where I learned how to make a jig for cutting this kind of diamond shapes, for making mosaic pieces like this. This is a trivet, but you can make cutting boards, you can make coffee tables, and you can create some really cool patterns with just these diamond shapes. So I took a class on how to make a jig to make this. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see how to make the jig. And then I made this trivet that I got to take home. Now for this trivet we use maple wood, we use purple heart, and the orange one, I don't remember what it was. Jose, the instructor, brought it from home from his own stash, so thank you, Jose. If you're watching this video, please write in the comments below what is this orange wood, because I really like it. But I think the combination is very, very pretty and I'm happy with it, but today I'm going to apply the oil for it. And that's what I want to share with you. For the longest time, I just used food grade mineral oil. And it's nothing wrong with using mineral oil, especially if you make a lot of cutting boards and you sell them and you want to keep the cost low. But then after a while, I switched to Butcher Block conditioner and Boost Black board cream. And this is definitely a big improvement from the mineral oil. And I've used that for a while. But now lately I found something else. And my favorite these days is this walrus oil cutting board oil and the walrus oil wood wax for cutting boards. Now do not confuse these guys with their furniture line, because they have some that looks pretty much exactly the same, the bottle. But you see this one, it's for furniture, it's a furniture finish. This one, it's not food safe, so it's not appropriate for cutting boards. It has completely different ingredients in it. This one, the walrus oil, the ingredients are coconut oil, beeswax, pure mineral oil, and vitamin E. So all really nice ingredients. We're gonna apply this oil. They recommend you put in the oil, you let it sit for 12 to 24 hours, and then you apply the wax. I'm gonna do it a little bit different. I'm just gonna put the oil, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wax it. So let's go do that, see what it looks like. So I will start with the cutting board oil, and look at those colors. Now I already sanded this trivet to 240, and then I spritz it with some water and raise the grain, and then I sand it again, 220, 240, and now I love this color combination. It's so, so pretty. It's not gonna take too much oil because, well, it's not an end grain board. So these products, they're not sponsored, they did not send it to me. I purchased them with my own money. I bought them on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in getting something like this. But like I said, not sponsored. They didn't send it to me. I think it's so good that I wanted to share with you guys. By the way, if you have a rockler store near you, please take advantage of their classes. They have so many really good classes. I always take classes there. Every time I see something that I'm interested in learning. They also have one-on-one classes. You can go and pretty much learn whatever you want to learn in those classes. They're private classes. Now what I would do, I will take this 600 grit sandpaper, and I'm just going to use it to rub this oil in. What this will do, it will give us a super, super smooth finish, and we're kind of embedding this oil into the wood. This makes it so, so smooth. I just have a white t-shirt here, and you know what, I'll use the same pad I used for the oil. I'll just take some of this wax on it and really buff it in. If you want to make it easier on yourself, you can warm up this wax a little bit. It's a little bit chilly in my shop today, so, but this will work. Now the wax definitely gives it a very, very velvety feeling. I love the feeling of wax. And now I'm just going to wipe it with a paper towel. And what do you think? This is our finished product. It feels so, so nice, so smooth, so velvety. I wish you could feel it. It's really, really nice. I hope this was useful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing and I'll see you in my next video.